Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily create a login form using Shadcn. So let's get started. So it's really simple to do it with Shadcn. All you need to do after you have installed Shadcn into your project, and it's really simple to do that. All you need to do is type in the command npx shadcn at latest init. Okay, then press enter. Okay, I've already done that, so I'm not going to do this. So after you have done installing Shadcn, all you need to do to easily create a login form is to type in the command npx shadcn at latest add and then login dash, and then there are different types of login forms. Okay, you can just go to the blocks section of Shadcn's website to see them, but I'm gonna type in -04. Okay, and it will then install that. Okay, so it's created this in a login folder. If I open this, you'll see the page.tsx file. Okay, I'm just gonna move this into my users folder. Okay, okay, so yes, update the imports. Okay, okay, so now I'm just gonna go to /users. Okay, I've done a fresh installation of Next.js, by the way. That's why you're seeing this. Oh, is it users or user? Oh, it's user. User. I am assuming that my layout file is the reason for this, so I'm just gonna remove the class names for now. Okay, actually I'll just remove this. Save this. Yeah. Okay, so all of this is working. Okay, and you can just, if I close this and go into this, you can just see that this is getting the login form and it's getting it from the components. Okay, and you can go into this and you can see this. Okay, so you can change things in this as well if you want. See, it's using a card component, card content is saying welcome back. You could just say something like saying welcome back, so you could say login. Let's save this, and as you can see, it now says login. You can also add an image here and even into the background. Okay, so I've added a image and video. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can add this into your project. So my image is called Dragon in a Cave and the video is called the same. So let's go. Let's close this. Actually, I'm just going to close this as well. Okay. Okay, here we go. This is the text muted background. So here, what I can do is add a video source and be slash videos slash then the name. It's gonna have class name. Okay. I'm gonna make it a little bigger, plus 100 pixels. This is just for me. You can just add h dash screen or something like that. Okay. relative. Okay, and for the card, we have the card content. Okay, then we have the form. Okay, so this is the placeholder image. Okay, so I'm just going to replace this with, let's do just slash this. Let's save this. Let's see what happens. Let's refresh this. Okay, so the video did get loaded. It just ended up loading at the bottom. You know what I'm gonna do? I am gonna take this out, save this. Here I would say I'm gonna add this, and I'm gonna say relative. Okay, this needs to have a -0, and this needs to have a set -1. Okay, save this. Yeah, there we go. Now we have this. Obviously you can make little changes to it to make it look better, but this is just to give you an idea of how you can work with this. So I hope you like this tutorial. Like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.